All this innovation means little if the car isn't convenient to live with, so let's talk range and charging. For years, electric vehicles have been held back by two big concerns: how far you can drive on a single charge, and how long it takes to recharge. But that's all changing. And fast. 2026 is the year these hurdles are finally overcome. Automakers are pushing the limits, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. The 800-volt battery architecture, pioneered by Porsche and now industry standard, enables ultra-fast charging and lighter, more efficient systems. This higher voltage not only speeds up charging, but also reduces heat and energy loss, making every drive smoother and more reliable. With a compatible 350 kW charger, you can add 125 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Charging starts to feel like a quick gas stop. No more waiting around for hours. A short break is all you need to get back on the road. Long road trips become easy, with charging stops dropping to 15 minutes or less. Families can stretch their legs, grab a coffee, and be ready to go before they know it. The psychological barrier of range anxiety is fading fast. Drivers are gaining confidence knowing they can go the distance without worry. The real game changer: solid-state batteries. This next leap in battery technology is set to transform the industry. These new batteries are more energy-dense, safer, and can handle even faster charging. They're less prone to overheating, and their compact size means more room for passengers and cargo. Expect top-end ranges well over 400 miles on a single charge, with charging times potentially cut in half again. Imagine driving from city to city with barely a thought about your next stop. Solid-state tech means less risk of fire, more aggressive charging, and lighter, more compact battery packs. It's a leap forward in both safety and performance. Combine this with 800-volt systems, and you get cars that are not only fast and luxurious, but also incredibly practical. The future of electric driving is here, and it's designed for real life. Most charging happens overnight at home. You wake up with a full tank. It's as easy as plugging in your phone, and you're ready for the day ahead. Public charging is only needed for long trips, and even then, it's quick and painless. The network is expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to find a fast charger wherever you go. These breakthroughs are the foundation for everything else. Performance, tech, and sustainability all start with the battery. The next era of electric vehicles is here, and it's built on these remarkable advances. 2026 is a landmark year. Luxury EVs are being completely reimagined. Blistering performance, immersive tech, and sustainable opulence converge to create a new era. You no longer have to choose between excitement, comfort, and conscience. You get it all. From the Taycan's precision to the EQS's digital sanctuary and mushroom-based interiors, every model brings something unique. The pace of innovation is staggering, and the future of luxury driving is undeniably electric. Which 2026 model are you most excited about? Is it the performance, the tech, or the sustainability? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cadillac's Optiq V brings the legendary V-Series performance into the electric era. Built on GM's Ultium platform, it delivers 519 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and a 0-60 time around 3.5 seconds. V-Mode sharpens throttle, suspension, and steering for a true performance experience at the push of a button. Aggressive yet mature design cues, carbon fiber, larger wheels, and aerodynamic tweaks signal its intent. Inside, a curved OLED screen, V-branded seats and carbon accents create a driver-focused, luxurious environment. Premium features like Super Cruise and AKG audio ensure it's still a Cadillac at heart. The Optiq V proves American luxury performance is alive and well in the electric age. China's Li Auto is shaking up the luxury EV market with tech-rich, family-friendly SUVs at unbeatable value. The L6, L7 and L9 offer dual-motor setups, plush rides and interiors packed with features usually found in pricier rivals. The L7's 7-seat lounge and the L9's advanced autonomous suite showcase Li Auto's focus on comfort and cutting-edge tech. Multi-screen cabins, vegan leathers, and sustainable materials create a modern, premium feel. Li Auto delivers air suspension, massaging seats, and advanced driver aids, often at a lower price than European or American brands. They're redefining expectations for luxury, tech, and value in the EV world. Zooming out, Three trends are shaping the future of luxury EVs. First, batteries. Solid-state tech is on the horizon, promising longer range, faster charging, and greater longevity. Imagine 600-plus mile ranges and 10-minute charges, soon to be the norm. Second, AI-driven interiors. Cars will learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and offer seamless, personalized experiences. AI will also power next-level driver assistance, making driving safer and less stressful. Third, sustainable opulence. Luxury now means ethically sourced beautiful materials, vegan leathers, recycled textiles, and eco-friendly manufacturing. The ultimate luxury is enjoying performance and comfort with a clear conscience. These trends are converging to make luxury EVs cleaner, smarter, and more desirable than ever. The no-compromise luxury electric car is no longer a promise, it's the reality of 2026. These vehicles offer mind-bending performance, deeply integrated tech, and true sustainability. Whether you want German precision, American ambition, or Chinese tech value, there's a world-class option. Competition is fierce, driving rapid innovation and better choices for buyers. What was science fiction, 800-volt charging, massive screens, level 3 autonomy, is now standard. The momentum is unstoppable. The future of luxury, driving, is electric, and it's arriving faster than anyone expected. Bentley's 2026 Continental GT EV is the Grand Tourer, electrified, blending tradition with cutting-edge tech. A 110 kilowatt battery gives 350 miles of range, perfect for crossing continents in style. Dual motors and all-wheel drive deliver a 0-60 time of 3.4 seconds. Effortless, silent power with that signature Bentley surge. Inside, Bentley introduces bio-leather, a sustainable material grown from mycelium, alongside classic hand-stitched options. The rotating display remains, letting you switch between touchscreen analog dials or pure wood veneer. The new dynamic drive system uses GPS to anticipate corners and road changes, adjusting suspension and power for the perfect ride. The design evolves, sculpted grille, crystal effect LEDs, and unmistakable Bentley lines. The Continental GT EV is for those who value craftsmanship, comfort, and a sense of occasion, now amplified by electrification. Bentley proves you don't have to sacrifice soul for sustainability. NIO's ET7 is the tech disruptor, aiming straight at the German giants with bold innovation. Its 150 kWh semi-solid-state battery claims a staggering 560-mile range, eliminating range anxiety for good. Level 4 autonomy, enabled by advanced LiDAR, means true hands-off, eyes-off, driving in designated areas. The minimalist interior centers on a 23-inch OLED sky screen and Nomi, a quirky AI assistant with real personality. Personalized audio zones let each passenger enjoy their own soundscape, thanks to headrest speakers. NIO's battery-as-a-service model lets you swap batteries in 3 minutes at power swap stations, no more waiting to charge. The ET7 isn't about heritage, it's about future-facing features, tech, and convenience. For the early adopter who wants the latest in autonomy, range, and ownership flexibility, NIO is a glimpse into a new kind of luxury EV. The Jaguar XJ returns in 2026 as a bold, all-electric flagship. No retro, just reinvention. A 95 kilowatt battery and twin motors deliver 600 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 3.1 seconds. Luxury with a sporting edge. Predictive performance mode learns your driving style and road conditions, tailoring the car's response for a bespoke feel. The interior blends open-pore wood, recycled carbon fiber, and minimalist design. Classic British craftsmanship meets modern tech. Rear seats offer a business-class lounge, reclining, massaging, with a wood tray table, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi. The fastback silhouette, pixel LED headlights, and full-width rear light bar make a dramatic, futuristic statement. Jaguar's sound designers have created a unique electric voice for the XJ, with noise cancellation and dynamic soundscapes. The new XJ is for those who want British style, sporty driving, and the latest tech, all in a reinvented legend. 2026 isn't just another year for electric cars, it's the year luxury EVs set a new industry standard. Solid-state batteries, ultra-fast charging, and advanced autonomy are converging in real cars, not just concepts. Sustainable luxury is now the norm, with materials like mycelium, leather and recycled plastics defining opulence. These breakthroughs mean luxury EVs aren't niche, they're the new benchmark for performance, tech, and responsibility. The future of luxury driving is electric, and it's arriving faster than anyone imagined. The bar has been raised, forever. Which of these next-gen EVs would you choose? The electric revolution in luxury is here.